Hey guys, I hope you're well. Yeah, so today we're going to look at expanding trig identities. So expanding trig identities. Cool. So yeah, on a side note, guys, I'd really appreciate it if you do subscribe to my channel. So if you like what you see, please do subscribe. Do subscribe. Right, bravo. So let's get started. Let's import the library that I need to use. So from SymPy, import star, and then init printing. So that's just to print nice things anyway. Print nice answers. So pretty print, yeah. Right, cool. Okay, variables. So var. I'm gonna have A, capital A, and B. Okay, right. So starting off with first trig identity, right? So sine A squared plus cos A squared. Yeah, that's equal to 1, right? So equals to 1. Yeah, which is true. Okay, right. And then expand trig. So sine A plus B. There we are. Okay, and then expand trig again. Then sine A minus B. Right, and then using the cos function as well. So expand trig. So cos A plus B. There we are, and then expand trig cos A minus B. Right, we're getting there, and then looking at the tangent part, expand trig, so tan A minus B, sorry, minus B. Okay, then expand trig again, so tan A plus B. Okay, right, and then I need to show you something else as well. So the secant squared theta. Okay, so sec, so I'm going to use A, so secant A squared, right, so it equals, so 1 plus tan squared A, which is true. Okay, and then another trig identity as well. So sine 2 times A, so it equals so 2 times sine theta, so sine A, sorry, times cos A, so cos A, which is true. Okay, cool. Yeah, so it's just a few basic trig identities, expanding them and stuff. So if you like what you see, guys, please do subscribe, and thank you for watching. Cheers, and have a lovely day. Bye bye.